Dear students, today we will learn about the computer memory. That is primary memory. What is primary memory? Primary memory is also called as non-volatile memory. It is non-volatile. It is not erased. It is not it does not vanish due to the power off in the computer or when we just switch off our computer system. So primary memory is the part, it is also a part of processor. Primary memory. This memory is a part of processor. Processor gets the data from the memory in order to execute it, in order to fetch it, in order to manage it. So memory is the part of processor. It allows processor to access, running, execute services. Processor access data directly from the memory. So processor gets the data from the memory and access the data accordingly. This primary memory has different types. The first one is ROM, the second one is cache, and the third one is RAM. What is ROM? ROM stands for read-only memory. The instructions in ROM prepare the computer for use. Only these are the instructions. This is the data which prepares the computer for the use. So the instructions can only be read but cannot be deleted or changed. So in this type of memory, the instructions can be read. We can read the instructions but cannot be changed or deleted. So it stores data permanently. Data is not lost. So in ROM, the data is saved permanently and it does not lose. That's why it's called non-volatile. When data remains there, so it is called non-volatile because data is not deleted or data cannot be lost there. Then there are different types of this ROM, read-only memory, that is PROM, that is EPROM, and that is EEPROM. Let's discuss these one by one. What is PROM? PROM stands for Programmable Read-Only Memory. And the user can write data and instructions only once. In this type of memory, programmable read-only memory, the user can write the data only once. That cannot be changed or that cannot be erased. If there is any error in writing in instructions, the error cannot be removed from the ROM. From this type of memory, if there is committed any error, mistake, this error or mistake cannot be modified. That cannot be rectified. The chip becomes unusable. So the chip of the PROM becomes unusable because the data cannot be erased. If we write any mistake, if we have a mistake or error in writing the instructions, these instructions cannot be modified or cannot be rectified, due to which the chip of the system, chip of the memory becomes unusable. So the next, EPROM, that is stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Erasable, as the name suggests that erasable, that if we write the data or the instructions, that can be erased, that can be deleted. This form of memory is blank. The program or data written on it can be erased with special device using ultraviolet rays. In this memory, the data can be erased with the help of special devices and with the help of ultraviolet radiations. These data can be erased. These data can be deleted. The user can write new program, so the user is able to write new program on it. The third one is EEPROM, that stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So in this memory, the user can erase and write instructions. So in this memory, there is an option of writing the instructions. If there is any sort of mistake or error, we can erase it with the help of special devices and with the help of electric pulses. So the new program, the new instructions, the new data is able to be, we can write new data on it. The contents are erased electrically with the help of electric pulses. So these are electric pulses which help us in erasing the data. The contents can be modified easily. So in this type of memory chip, we can modify, we can rewrite the contents accordingly. So this was about the primary memory, and it has different types. So the primary memory, it has different types: ROM, cache and RAM. So we discussed about the types of ROM in detail, that is PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. So the rest will be discussed in the next